So hello everyone, in new video, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can install Mautic application on CyberPanel. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. The prerequisite here is you should have CyberPanel installed. So for me, I'm using DigitalOcean and I have CyberPanel installed. As you can see right here, setup, everything is ready. In your case, if the CyberPanel is not installed, you can go to this particular playlist and you will find the CyberPanel installation video right there. And if you haven't created a server yet, you can use link in the description to get $200 credit from DigitalOcean and you can start learning right away. So without wasting time, let's get started. So as you can see, I have CyberPanel installed and I am on the dashboard. So let's go ahead and click on the create website. Let's go and click on the websites, then create websites, and here we can create the website. So for me, I'm going to host on the domain name and I don't have domain pointed. So let's go ahead and open my DNS, which is the Cloudflare DNS. I'm using Cloudflare to manage my DNS of the domain name. Let me click on here, and the purpose of this is just adding the a name record. In your case, the DNS might be different, so the process and the steps are going to be a little bit different, but the feeling is same. You need to add the a name record, that's it. So in my case, I'm not going to host the website on the main domain. I'm going to host on the subdomain. So hence we are using the installing the Mautic application. I will just say mu, that's it. And my website will be hosted on mu.1yt.in. So let's go ahead, let me add the IP address and let's save it. In my case, I'm hosting on the subdomain, but if you want host on the main domain, the process is going to be absolutely same. Just replace the my subdomain with your main domain, that's it. Again, go to the CyberPanel, let's create the website, let's select the packages, then type the subdomain name here. If you remember, it was mu.1yt.in. Then there is an email. Please make sure that you are adding the valid email address because that's where you will get the SSL error related information or any website related information. I'm talking about the errors and warnings, right? So let's select the PHP version, which is 8.0 because this is the version supported by the Mautic, latest version of the Mautic. Then there is a SSL needed, then there is a open based AR protection needed, and let's create on the website button. So as you can see, it's saying website is successfully created. So let's go ahead and let's click on list website on the left side, or you can just go to the dashboard back again, then websites, then list websites, and then find our website here. So as you can see, this is mu.1.in. So let's click on the manage, and this is where we will do configuration. So just to make sure that our website is there or not, let's go ahead in the browser, let's paste our subdomain mu.1.in, and as you can see, it is showing the by default created HTML page for CyberPanel. Great, that means our website is created. Now let's install the Mautic. Let's go ahead in the management panel again. Let's scroll to the bottom, and here is the Express Mautic installer that we are going to use. Let's click on that. Then there is a username. Let's type I want admin as a username. Then there is a email. I will add just info@1yt.in, but in your case just add the valid one. And then there is a password needed, so I will just add very strong password, which I'm not going to show you right here. So once you add the password, let's click on the install now, and that should start the installation process. So in these particular steps, it will download the Mautic files, it will extract, it will paste in the current directory of the website, it will create the database for you, it will set up the database for you, it will create a users and tables in the database, and once everything is done, it will modify the configuration of the website, and everything will be done for you by this installer, and you will get website ready on plate. So as you can see on the screen, it is showing the Mautic is successfully installed. So let's go ahead and let's go to the website in the new tab, refresh the page, and that should show you the Mautic. And here you can add your username and password that you earlier typed. And once you type everything, let's hit the enter, and that should log into the Mautic, and it should show Mautic dashboard, something like this, which is really nice. But I'm not a marketing person, so I don't understand it. So this is how you can install the Mautic on the CyberPanel, and that's all about it. Thanks for watching this one, and see you in the next.